Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. He is the Sri Raja Rasa Bihari. So attractive, so beautiful, so wonderful, so amazing. The Lordship, the golden throne, holding a flute, golden border, green dress, the pink. The Lord is looking so wonderful, amazing. Decorated with a peacock feather on the top of the head. So this is Sri Radha Rasabihari from ISKCON Juhu. Hare Krishna. Sri Krishna is known as Rasika Shekara. Krishna is known as Leela Purusha. Leela Purushottam. He is very, very expert in performing the pastimes, loving pastimes with his pure devotees. So this is Lord Ramchandra. He is called Maryada Purushottam. His dealings, his character as a best son, as a best brother, as a best husband, as the best king, Lord Ramchandra showed all of us how to be the best human being. So Lord Ramchandra is called Maryada Purushottama. What a cute smile. Jai Shree Ram. So this is Sri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He is known as Prema Purushottam. In this age of Kali he appeared. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, who inaugurated the Sankirtana movement all over the world. Following his footsteps, International Society for Krishna Consciousness is spreading the chanting of Hare Krishna all over the world. Hare Krishna. So this is a Prema Purushottam who spread the love of God everywhere. This is Maryada Purushottam, Lord Ramchandra. This is the Leela Purushottam, Sri Krishna. Hare Krishna.